Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful earring, peppermint earring. Yeah, so to crochet this earring we need one one pair of round earring, and it doesn't matter what size, and mine is a little bit too big, but it's okay, I like it. And two color of yarn. I will use blue and white color. And for the tool we need hook, very small. It is 0.60 and small needle, also scissor. Yeah, so let me try. I already crochet one side, and this another side we will crochet together. How do I look? So let's. Okay, so this earring, the round part, I crochet with the blue one, and you put any color that you want to be in the round part, and then I change. I make the peppermint part with the white color. I have only these two color. The small yarn. Okay, let's start crochet. So to crochet we need to, I will close this ring, yarn over, and then we start pulling, yarn over from another side, like that. Yeah. Okay. Chain one. Yeah, from the beginning it's a bit hard, just like that. And then we bring our tail from another side, just like this, and put it like that. So we crochet with the tail all the way until we finish the tail, and then yarn over again. So this round in the ring we crochet always one single crochet. One single crochet until you finish here. Yeah, so put the needle inside the ring and then yarn over, and then pull through two loops, just like that. We repeat the same thing until we finish the round. So I will show you some more part, some more single crochet, and then you can do it yourself. We will meet when we change the color to make it like peppermint. So every time you crochet, always push them together so it doesn't stay away from each other a bit too far. Yeah. So for the hook, it is the smallest hook that I have, and the yarn is petticoat with the hook. And for here, for this part, when you finish your round, you can glue them. Put the glue so it doesn't show out, because it is very tight and very small. Sometimes I cannot even put the insert the needle inside because it's a bit too small, so the glue would be good. Okay, so see you when we finish our round. Just repeat the same thing, and then you will get this part around the ring, and we will meet when you guys somewhere here. So now I'm here, and we have to do some more crochet inside, some more single crochet inside until here. So, and then we have to add some more white color. In the last one it's a bit hard. Okay, so now we turn our work, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now switch to the white color. Just rub on your finger, and then in the same loop, in the first one here, and bring the tail with you. Yeah. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now insert the hook in the blue one and remove the white one. In the next loop here, we insert the hook and then place 1 slip stitch. And then chain 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now remove the blue one, insert the hook inside the white one, in the next loop here we place slip stitch, and then chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook in the blue one, and we just repeat the same thing until we finish our ring, and then we will meet when you guys somewhere here. I will tell you how to finish it. In the next loop, place 1 slip stitch. Yep, it's too small and it's a bit hard, but it's okay. 1 slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert inside the white one. So this is just the same thing. Yeah, and then it will create this, how it look. we will create this one. So you can wear both sides. It's both sides are good. Yeah. So in the next one here, one, two, three, four, and yes, please do it, and then we will meet again. Okay, so now we are here. I think we still have 3 stitch or 4 stitch, so let's repeat the same thing. Here I just want to show you how we finish our row. So this is the last thing to finish our ring, and then we can wear it to the party. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the white one in the next stitch, place 1 slip stitch, 1 slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, blue one, okay, so blue one finish the row. The next one is white color. Place the last slip stitch. My hook is too small. Yeah, sometimes it's always slippery. I cannot get the yarn because this part is too small. Okay, so this one we will finish now, please. Nice. Okay, and then we cut our yarn, both yarn we finish now. And what we have to do next, pull this white one through, also the blue one pull through. Yeah. And then we have to hide the tail, put it somewhere under here, or we can use the glue. So for me, I will try to put my yarn to hide the tail, and then I will try to hide the tail. Insert the needle inside anywhere that you think it's good. Okay, so I decide not to use the needle anymore. I cannot put inside the hole. But if your yarn is smaller than that one, please do it. So I will use the hook that I crochet. I will insert inside the space, inside here, and then I will pull the yarn through. Wow, it is so complicated. This one it's okay, it's fine. But this one, it doesn't want me to hide it. Nice. Thank you, God. Okay. Wow, so complicated. Okay. So hide it some more, and for me, I will not hide. I will just put the glue. I will just put the glue. Oh my God, it's so complicated. Okay, I cut the yarn out, and this one, the white one, I will go through here. Please, if you have a better way, please do it. Please do it. My way is so complicated. Oh, because my yarn is too small and I make it too tight. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. Nice. Good girl, good, nice. Okay, just do it some more and then we are done. Okay, I will cut it out. And then glue, let's glue them. Glue them. Put the glue here. One drop of glue, and then it will be stick there. No way to come out. Nice. Good job. So now it's look like this. And this one, I think I will glue too. I didn't glue that one. I tried to put inside the gap, but it's so hard. Okay, I will glue a little bit so it will stuck there. Ah, it doesn't show in the camera. Okay, I think it's enough, this one. And where is the white one? Where did I glue them? Okay. It's here. Nice. One more drop, please. Okay, nice. Good job. Good job. And here too, if you want to glue, please glue it. For me, I will glue. Okay. Just to make sure that it will not come out. Okay. Good job. Nice. Let's put it on and see how it look. Hello. So this is how it look on me. Like I told you, my earring is big. Not sure if you can see. Yeah. So I hope you guys like the video, and thank you so much for your subscribe, and it means a lot to me. Yeah, for sure, it's mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. You guys motivate me a lot. Yes. Okay, have a nice day. Love you.